Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to increase limit on trading 212. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Trading 212 app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the cards section and tap on it to view the cards currently available on your account. Now, select the card for which you want to change the limit. Once you've opened the card details, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and find the limit icon. Tap on it to continue. This section is where you can manage the different limits associated with your card. Depending on your account and card, you may see separate limits for card transactions, ATM withdrawals, and money transfers. Choose the type of limit you want to change. Then, look for the settings or cogwheel icon next to that limit and tap on it. This will take you to the options available for adjusting that particular limit. Before you're allowed to make certain changes, Trading 212 may require you to verify your identity. In some cases, this can involve completing a quick video verification. Simply follow the instructions displayed in the app and complete the verification process. Once your identity has been successfully verified, the limit adjustment option should become available. You can then select the new limit according to the options provided by Trading 212 and confirm the change. Keep in mind that the limits available to you can depend on your account, card, and Trading 212's current requirements. So if you don't see an option to increase a particular limit, you may need to contact Trading 212 support for further assistance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can increase limit on Trading 212. So that's all for this video.